morning, Pastor. Maayong adlaw kanimo diha. Kabalo ko, you are also praying. And, indescribable yun yung mga panghitabo sa inyo ha, pati sa amo. But, Pastor, na ay yung Ginoo, and that, we will continue to support him sa, with all our strength, with all our resources, with all our time and tanan namong effort. And I was just here, waited for the lawyers and asked them kung kumusta siya, okay man daw, nakabisita man yung kahapon. And we continue to pray. Kabalo ko, di tapos-agdan sa Ginoo. And we continue to support him. We continue to keep the faith that we will be able to bring him back home to where he belongs. Dito maging siya. And kabalo ko kani mga pagsulay, mga bilog ang mundo, may Panginoon. Bilog. Saka alam ng tao kung ano ang ginawa niya para sa mga Pilipino. Ako alam ko personally because there were instances when he was president, hindi nyo alam yan, na almost hindi siya makalakad kasi tinamaan siya ng COVID, but we have to keep that from you. Miski na frail na yung ano niya, that at that time he would insist having cabinet meetings. Ganun niya kamahal ang bansa at ang Pilipino. He wants to show to the Filipinos that there's a leader, somebody like him, na even during the pandemic time, we were all down, wala tayong mga trabaho, wala lahat. There was somebody, there's a government who supports the people and supports the country. I can only trust you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
May trust issues ako even before. So sa mga taga KOJC, dagang salamat sa inyo, sa inyong pagmahal, sa inyong pagsuporta. Kabalo ko, in spite of what happened sa inyo, you continue to be with us during, especially at this time, sa aming pagsulay. And to all the supporters, I hope and pray na itabuon lang sa pagsuporta, pagampo, kay wala gyud imposible sa Ginoo. Wala gyud imposible sa Ginoo.